I'm Jason. Welcome back to Vintage Air. We're excited to announce two Gen 5 kits that covers the Mustangs from 1967 through 1970. Starting with the 67 here, you'll have available with your condenser, dryer, reduced barrier hose kit, your AC compressor with the AC compressor mounted kit, which that covers a wide range of small block Ford engines from the 289 up to the 351 Windsor. Located here under your dash, we have our Gen 5 unit with the Magnum Max blower that gives 20% more airflow for your unit. Its low discrete profile gives you more foot space here available. At the same time, that will be supplying enough air throughout your 2.5-inch air duct hoses coming out of your dash. We have it to be adjusted for your feet, dash vents, and your windshield. And what controls your airflow over here is our cable conversion kit on the control panel from the speed, temperature, and your position of the air duct hoses. And with the 1969 and 70 Mustang platform, you'll be equipped with your condenser kit that'll have your dryer, your hard lines, and with that you'll have your reduced barrier hoses with the AC compressor and the AC compressor mounting bracket, which covers the grounds of all big block Fords, like including this 390 FB. Also in this 1969 and 70 Mustang, we have the Gen 5 Magnum Max blower unit as well to supply enough airflow through your 2.5-inch air ducts through your dash vents. To control it, we have our newly released and available with the kit electronic controller for your unit. And again, the Gen 5 covers from 1967 and 1970 Mustang. With this summer coming in real hot, give our sales team a call, we'll hook you up. Until next time, I'm Jason. See you soon.